Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 28th tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have covered some basic other functions as well as some relationship functions. So our next functions are statistical DAX functions. So let me click on this link, and these functions are mostly used in statistical report. So we don't use these functions in our normal report. So let me skip for now only. So our next function is table manipulation functions. So in this category, we have list of various functions like add columns, accept, filters, and so on. So let's understand these functions with the practical. So go to our product table, and in product table we have our sales ID, products, and product category. So we will create one more table with the help of select column DAX function. So what I will do, I simply click new table, and I make this table name as a selected column. Now I will write my DAX, which is select column. Now here first parameter is table name. So our table name is product. Press comma. Now I will press shift plus enter to go in next row, and inverted comma begin. Now I will write my header name, which is product, and inverted comma close, and press comma, and the next parameter is expression. So I will write the column name here. So we guys can see our product column has copied. So in this way, you can add multiple columns. Let's say this time I want this product category. So what I will do, I will just simply go in selected column table and remove this bracket and comma, and we add multiple column name. So our second column name is product category. So I will write here product category under inverted comma, press comma, and under expression 2 we need to write our column name, which is product category. So I will write the product category from product column and close the bracket. So we guys can see we have created new table with the help of select column DAX function. So in this way we can use this select column DAX function. Now we will understand this add column function. So for add column we can only add new column, not existing one. In selected column we have a existing column like products, product category. But for add column we cannot add the same expression. Let's say let me rename this as a add column. Press enter. So this function gives us an error that add column cannot add column product category since it's already exists. That means already exist column we cannot create with the help of add column. So how can we use this function? So let's see the practical guys. Let me rename this as selected column. So again we will create a new table, and this table name is add column, and I will write my DAX, which is add column, and our first parameter is table. So this time I will take as sales table. So firstly guys, we will see the sales table. Let's say we want to fetch out the year from this order date with the help of year DAX function. The first parameter is table name, which was sales, and the second parameter is name one. So what I will do, I'll just simply press shift plus enter, and now I will write the new column name, which is year. Now I will write my DAX function, which is again year, and I will write the order date here because we want to fetch the data from order date. So we guys can see our new column has added in add column, and the one common difference we would already studied, that it is not working on existing column but select column working on existing column. Now move to the DAX reference page and see what are the next functions. So let's talk about this concatenate, and Excel users are well aware of this function. This function basically joins two strings. So go to the Power BI desktop and check how does it work. So I am taking new column from here and write my column name. Let's say concatenate. And now I will write my DAX, which is concatenate. And here are two parameters, which is text1 and text2. So our first string is, let's say we want to join this country and state. So our first text is country, comma, and our second string is states. And close the bracket and press enter. So we guys can see our new column has added two strings, which is India, Delhi, China, Chennai. Now we want to add space or maybe hyphen between these two strings. So how do we do that? So let's simply edit this formula. I will use guys ampersand sign here and inverted comma. So what I'll do, I'll just click here and use ampersand sign before this comma. And now I will write inverted comma begin and press space button and close the inverted comma. And again press comma and now enter. So space has added between these two strings. In this way, you can also use hyphen sign here. Let's say I'll remove space and press hyphen and press enter. So we guys can see hyphen sign has added here. So in this way, you guys can use concatenate DAX function. Now we will study concatenate X, which is an iterator function, guys. That means the result of an expression evaluated for each row in a table. So let's see, guys, how concatenate X works. So I'll take the new column from here. So let me rename my column name, which is concatenate X. Now I will write my DAX, which is concatenate X. And here first parameter is table. So we are working on add column table. So our table name is add column. Now comma. And it is asking for the expression. So our expression is country column. Now it is asking for the delimiter. That means what delimiter you want to apply, like hyphen, comma, space. So I'll put it here, comma, with an inverted comma and close the bracket. See guys, that means that all values of country are converted into single row. So question is, what is the use of it? So go to our visual section and I will take one table visual from here and drag this customer name column as well as concatenate X. Let me increase the value. So we can segregate this like Anjitra is sold in India, China, USA, Australia. So we can segregate the information with the help of concatenate X. So I hope you are clear with the concept of concatenate and concatenate X. So we have studied two DAX functions in our today's class, which is table manipulation functions and text functions. And we have only one category is left, which is time intelligence function. And we will study some time intelligence function DAX in our upcoming class. And this would be our last part of DAX class. And after that, we will move towards the next process of our report building, which is building report. So guys, stay tuned with us for more learning and make more practice yourself of DAX functions and other concepts which we have already studied. Please support this channel guys and kindly subscribe and share with those who really want to learn Power BI from scratch. And I am also providing paid training for interview preparation as well as Power BI full course. For more updates, you guys can follow me on LinkedIn. Link is given under the description box. Thank you so much guys for your love and support.